Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we are on I-94 West in North Dakota, and we begin at mile marker 345 just west of Fargo. At exit 343, we see the end of the Fargo-Moorhead I-94 business loop, although it's not indicated as such on the sign, and we see the western terminus of US Highway 10. This highway once extended much further west than this along what was known as the Old Red Trail, all the way to Seattle, in fact. After I-94 was built, US 10 was realigned onto I-94 and then eventually truncated west of here. The I-94 business routes here and throughout North Dakota follow the old US 10 alignment. I-94 throughout North Dakota remains close to the original US 10 as well as the Northern Pacific, now BNSF rail line. Here, I-94 skirts the southern edge of the city of Mapleton, which has an estimated population of 1,112 as of 2018. Mapleton was platted in 1876, soon after the railroad was extended to that point. The city took its name from the Maple River. A post office has been in operation at Mapleton since 1875. Now, people often ask in the comments if I'm from the Midwest due to some perceived accent that they think I have. Well, you betcha! I spent the first 17 years of my life in Dickinson, North Dakota, and then another 13 years in Minneapolis, don't you know? And ignore that math, I'm not more than, 20 years old. At exit 331, we see our first Indian Head, North Dakota highway shield. These highway shields were in use for nearly 100 years before the state decided to begin replacing them with state-shaped shields in 2016. The old signs were modeled after Marcellus Red Tomahawk, a Lakota Indian who fought against U.S. soldiers as settlers moved in the 1800s to the Dakota Territory. He eventually took part in several peace negotiations, worked as a Lakota Goodwill Ambassador, and became a member of the Bureau of Indian Affairs Police Force. North Dakota officials claimed that the change to the state-shaped shield was for purposes of uniformity, following the leads of many other states using their state shape as their highway shield. But there's been talk that misguided political correctness was part of the reason, even though the shield was in honor of a Native American leader. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy watching our videos. We conclude today's video at mile marker 320. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please post a comment, share, follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.